I am Helen Eaglin, and this is how I store my documents. I currently use Google Drive to keep track of all of my information and important things that I need throughout college. As you can see here, there are four folders that I have, and the first one is EDCI 270, in which I have my Google Doc for my other badge project that I have done. And then I have horticulture, which I have my club reports in, my tub garden, and my report from that. And then I have like my professional documents, which is my resume, and then I have my Spanish folder from high school where I kept an interview that we did. And as you can see here, like it's an actual video, and we also have other things in here as well. And I'm going to create a new document. And, well, yes, I'll create a Google Doc. This is currently blank, and I'm going to give it a title, example. And then I'm going to here, so you can see, yep, see as example, and here I can click the button share, and I can enter in random, not random, but like somebody's name here or in their email address, and this is where they can edit. Currently, I'm not going to share it with anybody right now, just because I don't need to. Now, let's say that I've typed my thing and I'm done, so I just put hi. I'm going to click this move button right here and add it to a folder. And here are my 4 folders. I'm going to put in EDCI 270. So there we go. And now, as you can see, it says move from my drive to EDCI 270. I'm going to go back to my drive and refresh. That way it's updated. And I'm going to go to my EDCI 270 folder, and looky there, it is right here, my example. And that's basically how I keep track of my things. And in terms of if I need to add another folder, I can also click new and folder, and I'll put example as well, just to show. So there we go, it is right there, example. So this method is really easy and simple, and I find it the best way to keep track of my stuff in college. And I know that there are different like ways to save things out there, but this is my way, and I hope you learned. So thank you.